Hey everyone, welcome back to Homespot. What if I told you that the most beautiful garden decorations do not come from expensive stores, but from a simple bag of cement? Today we are diving into stunning DIY cement garden decor ideas that will completely transform your backyard into a space you absolutely love spending time in. If you love the look of aged stone planters but hate the price tag, Hypertufa is your answer. By mixing cement with peat moss and perlite, you can craft lightweight, porous bowls that look like they have been sitting in a garden for decades. Fill them with succulents or alpine flowers for an instant rustic centerpiece. Add a touch of magic to your backyard by sculpting cement mushrooms that look like they belong in a fairy tale. Using simple hand-shaping techniques, you can create clusters of mushrooms in various sizes and tuck them between ferns and flowering plants. They bring personality and charm to any quiet garden corner without a big budget. A bird bath is one of the most rewarding garden projects you can make from cement. Pour the mix into a large bowl mold for the basin and a tapered mold for the pedestal. Let them cure, then assemble. Within days, you will have birds visiting regularly, bringing life, movement, and natural beauty to your backyard garden. Clean garden borders instantly elevate the look of any backyard. By pouring cement into long, narrow molds, you can cast your own curved edging strips that perfectly define your planting zones. Unlike plastic or metal alternatives, cement edging has a natural, permanent quality that blends seamlessly with stone paths and lush garden beds for a polished, finished look. This creative vertical planter is both a garden sculpture and a functional plant display in one. Stack 3 cylinder molds of decreasing size, fill each with cement, and plant real cacti or succulents in the tops once cured. The tiered tower makes a bold visual statement in a garden corner and requires almost zero maintenance after completion. Combine the craft of Mosaic with the durability of cement to build a garden path that tells a story with every step. Press colorful river pebbles and broken tile pieces into wet cement stepping stones in floral or geometric patterns. Each stone becomes a unique piece of outdoor art that adds color, texture, and handmade character to your backyard landscape. Turn a plain garden fence into a lush vertical garden using small wall-mounted cement pocket planters. Cast them in simple mold shapes and attach them in a staggered pattern across your fence once fully cured. Fill each pocket with herbs, succulents, or trailing flowers to create a living wall that adds greenery, dimension, and style to vertical garden spaces. As the sun goes down, a handmade cement lantern transforms your garden into something truly magical. Cast cement in a cylindrical mold, then carefully cut geometric or star-shaped patterns through the walls before it fully hardens. Place a candle inside once cured and watch as beautiful light patterns dance across your garden path and surrounding plants every evening. Nothing elevates a backyard garden like the gentle sound of flowing water. This three-tier cement fountain is built by stacking graduated bowl molds on a central pipe connected to a small submersible pump. The water cascades gracefully from bowl to bowl, creating a soothing focal point surrounded by ferns and water-loving plants that thrive in the constant gentle moisture. This playful cracked egg planter is one of the most creative cement projects you can make for a garden. Cast cement inside a large round balloon, then deliberately crack open the top half once fully cured to create a broken shell effect. Fill the hollow interior with succulents or trailing plants. and nestle the egg among garden pebbles for a delightful organic display. A handmade cement sign is the perfect way to give your garden its own unique identity and character. Pour cement into a wooden frame and press letter stamps or stencils deeply into the surface before it sets. Once cured and positioned at your garden entrance, surrounded by climbing roses and potted herbs, it creates an inviting and personal welcome that is entirely your own. For gardeners who love a clean, contemporary aesthetic, geometric concrete cube planters are the perfect DIY project. Use simple cardboard boxes as molds to cast sharp-edged square and rectangular planters in various sizes. Group them together in a cluster. Plant each with architectural foliage like snake plants or tall grasses, and arrange them on gravel for a striking modern outdoor vignette. Some garden projects are not just beautiful, but deeply meaningful and emotional. Press a child's hand and foot into wet cement to create a stepping stone that captures a moment in time forever. Etch simple leaf or flower borders around the impressions for added charm. Then set the stone along your garden path where it will be treasured for generations to come. And there you have it. Incredible DIY cement garden decor ideas that prove you do not need a big budget to build a beautiful backyard. From charming stepping stones to elegant water fountains, every single project on this list is something you can make yourself at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below telling us which idea is your favorite, and make sure you subscribe to Homespot so you never miss a new project. We will see you in the next one.